Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Prebell with William O'Neill India. My name is Rajashekar Kongari, Equity Research Analyst. I'm part of MarketSmith India team. Before we go ahead into this podcast, I'd like to state the disclaimer very clearly. Registration granted by SEBI, membership of BASL, and certification from NISM in no way guarantee performance of the intermediary or provide any assurance of returns to investors. Investments in securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing. Here is a daily chart of Nifty taken from our website. Yesterday in the stock Durbar as well, we have discussed about Nifty's current placement and market status as well. For those who have not joined it, recently that is this candle day before yesterday, we have changed the market status to downtrend because Nifty clearly breached its 100 DM and distribution day count was also elevated to 8. And adding to it, broader market indices, Nifty mid cap and Nifty small cap indices were also breaching their key moving averages, and there also there was increasing the distribution count. So taking all these points into consideration, we had changed the market status to downtrend. And currently, yesterday also, the downtrend continued. Nifty had a gap down opening in the yesterday's session. And as the session progressed, it continuously fell and closed near the day low, as indicated in this candle as well. Volume was also on the higher side. So still there is weakness in the market. Only 200 EMA is holding. All the other key moving averages starting from 2150 and 100 EMAs have been breached on the Nifty front. And the next support is going to be at 200 EMA in the Nifty. Large cap stocks, Reliance, HDFC Bank, TCS, IT companies have also took some pressure. Uh, Overall, the weakness is not just with the large cap stocks, it is also spread across mid and small cap spaces as well. So overall, market is not conducive at this current moment. And we have emptied our model portfolio as well. We had removed all the existing stocks from portfolio at yesterday's market price. And currently, we are holding no stocks in our portfolio. And we are also advising our participants here to also stay in cash and also do not try to bottom fish. Wait for the market to give a clear buy signal and wait for the market and wait for the stocks to consolidate here for a bit to take a fresh position. Some of the as the ending season is going on, a few companies have come up with their results in the yesterday's after closing market hours. Colgate has come up with their numbers for the September quarter. Profit has grown 22% to 340 crores. On the other side, revenue was up only 6% to 400 crores of rupees. Railtel, another company, has come up with their results. Profit has grown similar to Colgate, around 23% to 68 crores. Revenue on the other front has grown 40% to 600 crores of rupees. This is on year-on-year basis. A margin has contracted uh, nearly 420 bps to 19.2%. Indian bank, a major public sector bank in India, has come up with their numbers. Net interest income for the quarter has increased 22% to 5,700 crores of rupees. Profit on the other side increased more than 60% to almost 2,000 crores of rupees. Asset quality has improved. I can see net NPS were down 10 bps to 0.6%, a positive sign. Overall, Indian Bank has come up with the good numbers, but retail and Colpal results on the revenue front are not so looking good. US GDP for the September quarter has come up at 4.9% versus an expectation of 4.5%. Again, a positive sign. Coming to institutional activity yesterday, foreign institutional investors were net sellers of more than 7,700 crores of Indian equities. Domestic institutional investors on the other side have bought nearly 6,600 crores of Indian equities. In the today's trading session, major stocks such as Reliance, Maruti, SBI Life, Bajaj, Finserv, BPCL, Cipla, Dr. Reddy's are some of the major companies which will be reporting their numbers. And there are lots of other companies which are reporting their numbers. If you have any of these stocks in your portfolio, please be watchful. We might see some volatile action happening in these stocks. Overnight, US market closed in the negative territory, even though the GDP numbers have come up above expectations, but the market have reacted negatively. You can see three major indices which we track have closed in the negative territory. Asia markets are trading in the positive territory as we speak. Nikkei is trading more than 1.5% higher. Kospi and Shanghai are trading with a gain of 0.8 and 0.3% respectively. Gift Nifty is also indicating a positive opening. Around 100-point higher opening is expected on the Nifty, or around 19,000 is expected. If that happens and Nifty closes in the positive territory, we'll consider this as a day one of attempted rally, and we would like to see two more sessions where Nifty doesn't breach today's low before changing the market status to rally attempt. Currently, market is not conducive for taking fresh investments. However, for the chart of the device, we have picked Spandana, which is looking very resilient in the current market. It is forming currently stage 3 consolidation base, and it is forming right side of the base pattern. Volume is also good, and 100 DMA has been acted as a very good support. 50 DMA has been reclaimed recently. On the other parameters wise, it is looking very good. You can see EPS of 73 indicates a good fundamental character. Number of funds wise, institution holding wise, in the last 4 quarters, the company has able to attract new institutional funds consistently. Again, a positive sign. Overall, in these turbulent times, this stock is looking very good. When the market structure improves, definitely a very good contender for adding to portfolio. Thanks for joining today's pre-bell. Have a good trading session.